You know what are we making today?
Yeah.
What are we making?
Oobleck.
Oobleck. Yes, we are making oobleck.
Yeah, we need turning put this.
You need bowls. Yeah.
We need water.
Water.
We need
Food coloring.
2 cups.
2 cups.
And cornstarch.
And cornstarch. Very good. So what are we making today, Ritwik? Can you tell? Oobleck. Hello everyone. Today we are doing a science activity which is making oobleck. It is a great sensory and fun activity for kids and toddlers. For making oobleck, we have used 1 cup of cornstarch, half cup of water, a bowl for mixing, and food coloring, which is completely optional. So, what is oobleck? Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it acts like a liquid when being poured, but like a solid when force is acting on it. Also, oobleck got its name from one of the Dr. Seuss books. Let's understand the science behind oobleck. Cornstarch, the main ingredient of goop or oobleck, is made up of long chain of atoms. When you move them slowly past one another, they flow like a liquid because they can slide easily past each other. When you squeeze, roll, or agitate them or mix them, the atom chains get entangled and form a solid.